Okay, Kai Wheats sent me, they sent me that battery tester that I reviewed. They wanted me to review another product, a digital multimeter. So they sent it to me, and here it is. So let's check it out. I'll show you the box. I know everybody likes to see the box. This is the back of it. Now, if you need to see any more of it, just pause the video. It just says digital multimeter on the sides, and here's the front of the box. People like to see the box. When I don't show the box, they complain that I didn't show the box. But I know you don't want to see me open the box, so let me do that and we'll get into it. Okay, here it is out of the box. You can see everything that it'll read right there. It even does capacitance. It's got a kickstand. Comes with 2 batteries. You got to take this screw out right here and take this off to put the batteries in. When you're not using the meter, if it's going to sit for a while, take the batteries out. They will corrode and ruin the meter. Ask me how I know. It happened to me on a fluke. Anyway, let's get over here a little closer and show you a little bit better. Okay, you put it right here on this setting to read volts, and you hit the function button to either AC or DC. And of course, you can use the min max, tell you the highest and lowest voltage, and you hit the hold button and it'll hold it for you. So if you're away from the meter and you can't see it, put it on this setting here for millivolts. And again, function key for AC or DC. And again, the hold buttons. You use this Hertz or HZ, whatever you want to call it, setting to read frequency and duty measurement. And obviously you have the leads connected there, the way I have them there. As you can see, it comes with some pretty decent leads. It had these pieces on there. That way you're going to use the tip. It's just a tip. Most meters come with really cheap leads. These are pretty good. Anyway, let's go back over here. You put it on that setting for resistance, continuity, and diode measurement. Okay, I'm assuming that's resistance, continuity, and that's diode measurement. So let's go back to continuity. And then, of course, you got to make sure your capacitors are drained of voltage before you test it, because it could mess up your meter. Anyway, you set it right here for temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. It's on Fahrenheit. I guess you hit this. No, it says Celsius, or yeah, Celsius up there. But you use this temperature probe, and you set them in here like this, but not the leads. You use this temperature probe. Now for current measurement, you set it right here, or you can set it here or here. And then of course you hit this button for AC or DC. Let me show you. It says it right here in the book. I hope you can read that or see that. It says set it to either of them 3 settings for current. And set the leads here. Ground's always over here on the common, but you set the positive over here to the 10 amp. Now for milliamps, you set it right here. These 3 in gray is for amperage or amps. This side over here is volts. So that's milliamps, and that's just regular amps. And of course, you have to set to which one you're doing, AC or DC. Okay, what this is it has a sensor up here on the top, and when you get this close to a live circuit, it'll turn green. When it senses a very strong circuit, it turns red. The weak is the green. So like if you was wanting to test your power outlet over there, you just get this near that outlet and it'll tell you if it's got power to it or not. That's pretty cool. I'm sure there's more to it than that, but that's what the book says. And live, you just hit the function, turn it on live, and then you put the probe, it says the red one, in right here. Now, I guess you don't use the black one, you just put the red one right there, and then get this sensor. You put the red one in the outlet. Let me show you what I'm talking about right here in the book. You put it in the right side of the outlet, and then you get the meter near the other one, and it'll tell you. It says when the meter senses a strong AC signal, the red indicator light lights up. And when it senses a weak one, the green one lights up. It's pretty much the same thing as the other one. And there it is. Now, one thing I noticed, you turn over here, maybe. When you turn a meter on, depending on what setting you have it on, it has lights in here that tells you where to hook the things to. See how it's only them two? That's pretty cool. See how it's that one and that one? Now it's that one and that one for 10 amps, or up to 10 amps. And I guess right there it's neither one. It's pretty awesome. Now I also forgot to mention that it has a backlight. You hit this button here, it turns the light on. That's pretty cool. I like that color. It'll be easy to see in low light situations. Turn it off. Now you hit the light button and hold it, and guess what? You have a flashlight on the back. That way you can shine it on stuff and see what you're doing in the dark, testing stuff. That's awesome. And then you just press and hold it to turn it off. Pretty cool. I like it. And like I said, Kaiweets sent it to me. I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me to review. It's an awesome meter. I like it. I'm going to get some good use out of this one. I've got a couple cheaper meters rather, but I think this one's a little bit better. I like this one. I'll get some good use out of this. Thank you very much, Kaiweets, for sending me this. And if any of the viewers want to get this, just down there in the description, go to my Amazon store, look around, and this will be in electrical stuff. I think that's what it is. The list that it's in, just look for electrical type stuff. You'll find it. Or just use the direct link directly to this if you don't want to look around in my store. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.